Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth infinite loop image carousel in Elementor. This feature is perfect for showcasing your portfolio, client logos, or product images in a dynamic, continuously scrolling format that keeps your website looking modern and engaging. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to build out your carousel from the dashboard. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar and select Add Page. This creates a fresh blank page for your carousel. After the new page is created, click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual builder where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll see a clean workspace ready for customization. Click the plus icon to add a new section or container to your page. This is where your carousel will live. With the container selected, head over to the Layout tab on the left panel. From there, find Content Width and set it to full width so your carousel stretches across the entire screen. Next, set the min height to 30 to give your carousel some breathing room and ensure it displays properly without looking cramped. Now it's time to add the carousel itself. Click the plus icon in the upper left corner of the page, and in the search field that appears, type Image Carousel. This widget is specifically designed for creating scrolling image galleries. Once you find it in the Widgets panel, simply drag it into the container you just created. With the Image Carousel widget now in place, click on it to open the Settings panel. Look for the Images icon and click it, then select Add Images. This allows you to upload fresh images from your computer or choose from your existing media library. For a smooth, balanced carousel, I recommend selecting 3 to 5 images. Once you've made your selections, click Create a New Gallery, then click Insert Gallery to add them all at once. Next, let's fine-tune how your carousel behaves. Go to the Content tab and find the section labeled Slides. Here, you'll see an option for slides to show. Set this to match the number of images you uploaded, typically 3 to 5, depending on your design preference. Then set slides to scroll to 1. This ensures the carousel moves one image at a time, creating that smooth, continuous flow. Now head over to Content, then Additional Options. Here, you'll find a setting called Lazy Load Images. Enable this by clicking Yes. Lazy loading improves your page's performance by only loading images as they come into view, which is especially helpful if you're adding more images later or if your site has heavy traffic. Before you go any further, don't forget to save your progress. Just click the Save Draft button, located right beside the Publish button in the upper right corner of the page. This ensures you won't lose any of your work if something unexpected happens. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth, infinite loop image carousel in Elementor that will keep your visitors engaged and your content flowing seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.